Morning children, welcome to our EVS class. Yesterday in the previous class we have completed our sense organs. Today we are going to read the lesson from the textbook. I will read it, I will show, you must follow the text. Page number 4. What are the sense organs? Ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue. Briefly we are going to explain. Our sense organs. Observe the following pictures. What do you see in these pictures? Some people are standing and doing something. What are they doing? In the first picture, a man is walking with a stick. In the second picture, one man is telling something to the other man loudly. Do you know why? How are these people different from others? Are they different? Or they look different? Yes, they look different. Because why? Because they lost their senses. Some of the sense organs they are not able to hear, and this man is not able to see. In the first picture, the man is blind. He has no sense of sight. In the second picture, the man is deaf. The man is deaf. He has no sense of hearing. What is called deaf? No sense of hearing. People who are deprived of their senses are called the differently abled people. Deprived means not being there. We should never make fun of such people. We should help them when they are in need. When you wake up in the morning, what are the things you see, hear, smell, touch and taste first? When you woke up in the morning, what are you going to do? What do you see? You can see the surroundings from your window and you can hear some birds singing songs. Next, what do you smell? You can smell the flowers or smell. Next, what do you touch? You are going to touch the water and wash your face. And taste. What do you taste? You will drink milk. So, these are the things you are going to do soon after waking up. What is sense? Sense is the ability to understand, recognize or react to something. We too, like other animals, have senses. We have 5 senses. They are hearing, sight, smell, taste and touch. How many senses we have? We have 5 senses. What are they? Hearing, sight, smell, taste and touch. These sense organs are related to these senses. See, you can see in the picture given below. These senses help us to gain awareness and knowledge of our surroundings or environment. What is the use of senses? We can gain awareness and knowledge of our surroundings or environment with which we interact. Soon after waking up, we must interact with our surroundings. No? So, whatever we interact with our surroundings, we can get awareness about the senses. Any organism deprived of one or more of its senses is at a serious disadvantage. What is the meaning of deprived? It is deprived means in the sense not being there. Not being there is called deprived. Any organism deprived of one or more of its senses is at a serious disadvantage. It is a disadvantage for all. To perceive means to overcome these senses, our body has different organs known as sense organs. These are the windows of our body. The 5 sense organs are ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue. Sense organs are essential for our survival. They play an important role in our day-to-day life. We receive information about our surroundings through them. What is the use of a sense organ? They play an important role in our day-to-day life. We receive information about our surroundings through them. Since these are special organs, let us learn about their structure and how to care for them. In the next class, we will learn about the remaining sense organs. Thank you.